Hello, my name is Star, and I run a planning shop on Etsy called Star City Designs. And I've been paper planning since 2014, and I switched over to digital planning in 2018, and I really like it. I post a lot of my planner pages on Facebook and Instagram, and recently I started getting a lot of questions about digital planning and how to get started. So I went ahead and recorded this video to show you what you need and how to get started. Basically, a digital planner is a PDF or a JPEG file that's uploaded and saved into a note-taking app. There's several options for note-taking apps depending on your device. For iOS, you can use Goodnotes, Zoom Notes, Notability, NoteShelf. For Android, you can use OneNote, Zoto, and for both, there's probably many other options that you can choose from. I'm using Goodnotes5 today, and what I'm going to do is show you, here's Goodnotes. When you open up, it's going to show you all of your planners that you have downloaded into your dashboard. So I'm going to use the custom planner today. And this one is different than most of my other planners because it's kind of like a shell, and it has all of the months hyperlinked, and then it has all of the planner inserts that you would copy and paste behind your months. My other planners are a little bit different because they're completely hyperlinked for you. In Goodnotes, there's two modes. There's hyperlink mode and there's edit mode. In hyperlink mode, there's going to be a little swirl around this pen. In edit mode, it puts a line through it. If you're in edit mode, none of the hyperlinks are going to work. And it's also going to pull up a little toolbar right here. In hyperlink mode, it closes the tools and then the links will work. So if you're in your planner and the links aren't working, you're probably in edit mode. Now I'm going to show you some of the tools in Goodnotes. There's the pen tool. In the pen tool, you have three different options for pens. There's the fountain pen, there's the ball pen, and the brush pen. I like the brush pen the most. I use it a lot. And also, if you have a Apple Pencil, you can use the stylus and palm rejection to set your stylus. I just use a regular stylus like this I got for free. And you can use your finger, so a stylus is optional. The next tool is the eraser. And you can click, you can clear the whole page. You can erase entire stroke. So if you turn that on, that will just erase the whole stroke. If you put auto deselect, that's going to erase kind of like a normal pencil. And you can also do erase highlighter only. So if I wrote this and then I highlighted it, choose another color like this, and then let's say I wanted to remove the highlighter, go to your eraser and then choose erase highlighter only, and it'll leave your other stroke alone. Clear page. Here's your highlighter. In your highlighter and in your pen, you have all the same color options. You can choose a color from here. You can use the wheel for your colors. And when you find a color that you like, you can add them to your presets. And then here's my highlighter presets. You can do the same thing for your pen. You can have a hex code that you put in and save as presets. Or you can pick a color and add to your presets, and it'll just put them all here. These are all ones that I've added into my planner. This is your backup button or forward button. The next tool is your shape builder tool, and it helps you to draw straight lines or perfect circles. Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. That worked pretty good. The next tool is the Lasso Tool. You can choose shapes. So right now I'm on images. I'm going to turn all of them on. Your Lasso Tool has a handwriting setting, images, or text boxes. So you can choose what you want it to pick up. And you can also turn off what you don't want it to pick up. So if I wanted to take this, I can move it with my lasso. I could tap, color, I could change the color. I can also resize with the lasso. You can copy, tap away, hold, tap paste, and you can also delete. This next tool is from your camera roll to use the stickers, and you can resize them and rotate them. Another cool thing you can do with an image or any PNG, any JPEG, any photo, you put it on your page, tap and hold, hit edit, tap and hold, hit edit, and then tap again, hit crop, and then you have a rectangle crop or a freehand crop. So if you choose freehand, you can draw a shape, and then it will put it into the shape that you drew. You cannot erase stickers, so you have to use the lasso, circle it, tap, hit delete. Here is the text tool. I use this a lot because sometimes my handwriting is bad, so I will type a lot. You can use the lasso to resize. You can also tap, hit edit, double click, and then right here when you're on the text tool, a little formatting pops up and you can choose another text. I use iFont to download fonts for my iPad. So you can choose, these are some that I've downloaded. Some came with it and some I had to download. Yeah. Then you can you can set it as default. You can also use your lasso tool to circle text and change the color if you wanted to. Color. You can resize it, rotate it around. I'm going to show you some stickers. This is a pre-cropped kit. Use your lasso to select images, tap, and if it says take screenshot, that means probably your lasso tool is set to something weird, but it's not. So usually just try it again. Copy. There we go. Doesn't work the first time, just try again. Sometimes it has a glitch in Goodnotes. A little sticker. So let's say if I wanted to just take the images and not the text, turn text off, and when I circle it, it won't touch the text. I'm going to show you really quickly how to copy and paste pages in your planner so you can build your planner. So what I'm going to do is go to Inserts, and let's say I want to paste a grocery list. I want to paste this grocery list behind, let's say, September. So I'm going to go to the page that I want to copy, hit the 4 square icon in the top left, and when you do that, it's going to put a box around the page you're on. Let's see. Okay, here it is right here. I have to kind of swipe to find it, but you can see they put there's a blue box around the page I was on. That's the grocery page. And I want to select that page. So up here, let me back up just a little. Up here you would hit, with the box around it, hit select. And then right below every page, there's a little circle. If you tap in there, put a check mark, and then hit copy. Hit done. And then hit close. So now I've copied this page. Now go to the place in your planner that you want to copy that page. So I'm going to go, just say to September. And I'm going to paste it behind the September page. So while I'm on the page that I want to paste it behind, go to the 4 square again. And it put a little box around the September page. And you'll notice every single page has a little caret drop down. You're going to tap the little caret drop down under the page that you want to copy behind, and I'm going to add a page after, and then it will pull up this little box to ask you what you want to put after, and I want to paste the page. So paste page. So now it put that page behind my month. Hit close. I'm going to go to September, and that page should be right there. There's my grocery page. So that's how you would copy and paste a page. And if you wanted to delete a page, go to the page that you want to delete, hit the 4 square, and I have to find it again. Let's see. I don't know why it's not opening near it, but you have to kind of swipe, find where the blue box is. Make sure. There it is. See, right there. That's the page I just pasted in. I want to delete that page. So if you want to delete, you go to the little caret again and hit move to trash. Now that page is gone, and hit close. So go back to September. Now the page should be gone. There you go. So that's how you would copy and paste a page and delete a page. So yeah. So you can use images online too. Drag your Safari over. Let's say I wanted to get this cake. There you go. Tap and hold, edit, tap again, hit crop, freehand, and I could draw around this sticker. Yeah, but digital planning is really fun. If you have any questions, just put them down in the comments. And thank you for watching, and I hope this helps.